Sir.
Hi, today we learn how to make a bishop's cap, right? So we take a serviette and then we fold it to half. So we take a clean white serviette, it should be clean and crisp, and then fold it to half and give it a hard press so that you create a nice crease, a fold over here. So after you have done this, so you take the left corner from the bottom to the top and bring the right corner from the top to the bottom. So you get something like a pyramid. So just a pyramid ban gaya. So then what we do, we will flip it like this. So on the top there is no folds to be seen. What we do is again take the top two corners, bring it to the bottom line and give it a hard press. So we have to create two cones. So these are the two cones. We flip the first cone down like this and then we fold the first side to make a cone like this. We give it a hard press so that the creases are formed nicely. So we lift it over and we are creating the second cone now. By turning it over and then doing the same thing on this side, what we will do is we will fold it nicely, give it a hard press so that we create a nice crease, nice fold over here, and again give it a hard press. The technique is to create straight lines and to give it a hard press so that when you open the napkin to keep it on the table, you get a nice fold which stands out nicely like this. So that's a bishop's cap. So a bishop cap is one of the most commonly used napkin foldings in restaurants all across. It is easy to fold, quick to fold, and also easy to stack. So you can stack like this and you can have many napkin folds stacked together and kept securely in a side station. So when you require, you pull them out, flip it out and keep it. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Learned it? Good.
Yes,
Now you
sir.
can do.
Yes, sir.
Each of you take one table or three of you on a table. Some of you can practice it here. And after you have practiced, we will line up all the bishop's cap like this on the counter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, all yours.